So here is the bedroom before decoration. It's not been done for a while. It was my daughter's bedroom, hence the posters. A few bits and pieces there. Wish underwear that we don't talk about. And never used to buy clothes. But since I got into the let's explore, let's visit and all that, that is my clothes section. So they are polo shirts. These are just t-shirts. They're t-shirts with names on them or writing on them, like Mario or Sonic or whatever. They're vests, and most of them there are button-up shirts, although there's long sleeve t-shirts on there as well. So I need to do some reorganisation as well as decorating. So this is before, and this is it after decoration. So new arrivals are these 2 laundry baskets. The right one is for whites and blues and whatever, and the other one is for darks. And then, remember all the t-shirts were everywhere? They are now on the racking. So we've got polo shirts there and there. We've got t-shirts, various different kinds of t-shirts. Then you've got printed t-shirts. These are all the gaming ones, retro ones. They're just all the gaming ones. And then I've got my vests there. All the drawers have been sorted out. And of course we've decorated. So it's looking pretty damn smart. I need some new lights, but I can't afford them at the minute. Anyway, that's it for this video. Before and after. Until next time. Bye!